Morning everybody, hope you're having a great day. I got something cool in the mail today. And let me say, this is not a paid or sponsored video, but as you know, I am a Moser dealer and I did get these through Oasis. But what I got is a shiny new set of Moser stickers and end caps for axles. And I'm just kidding, but these guys do send a really nice sticker. What I got, not exactly part of the 408, but a part of the overall project. I got a shiny new set of axles, and I splurged a little bit this time, and I got them lightened, and I got them gun drilled, which was something I didn't do when we originally built this rear end. Now, another thing that was a surprise in this box, and I had forgot that Moser does this, was a shiny new set of axle retaining plates. And these axle retaining plates have a little Moser emblem laser cut or very lightly stamped in. I thought that was a pretty neat touch. And I wasn't expecting these, and I really appreciate it, guys. Thanks for that. But the reason I did this, the axles have about 1,300 passes on them. I'm getting ready to upgrade to the new engine. I was being more comfortable with a little stronger axle. I think we're still going to be okay with the 33 splines because we're just going to be right at the 600 horsepower mark if all goes well. And I went ahead and got them gun drilled. That makes that axle quite a bit stronger than what I got in there now. Plus they don't have 12 or 1,300 passes on them. Now the ones that I took out, the paint's done wore off enough you can't really see it on the camera because of the grease. But you can see the very faint mark. They have candy striped almost a full revolution. And my car is heavy, so that's to be expected. My Mustang's not as light as everybody else's. With me in it, it weighs somewhere between 3,400 and 3,500 pounds. I'd have to reweigh it to get the exact number. And I'm sure we took a few pounds off with the aluminum heads, but it's a heavy car. So I was just said, it's just time. I got some other upgrades planned. I want to put disc brakes on it, and I'm probably not going to do that until after the point season's over. And we're going to the stronger motor, so I figured it was a good time since I needed bearings anyway. I just go ahead and get a new bearing and axle package and just change them and be done. And I was in a position to be able to do that. So, and this is those axles. And axles is one of those areas where you don't want to skimp, because the last thing you want is a wheel coming off at the track and flying around causing a safety issue, maybe hurt somebody, hurt yourself, tear your car up at the least. But the main thing, safety for the spectators, the crew, and yourself. But I'm really glad I got them, and we'll get them in there sometime in the near future, and we'll shoot some content on it. And if I ever get it edited, I got the video where I'll show you the grease seal leaking. I may include a still shot with this clip, but that's kind of what made me go ahead and do it. I was going to put the axles in it anyway, like I said, for the engine, but the bearing just instigated me to go ahead and make the move now instead of later. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Hope everybody has a great day. See you next time.